Impugned herein are the judgments, orders of the revenue forums, that is, Assistant Collector, Revenue, Appellate Court, Cohort, and Senior Member Board of Revenue, Peshawar, allowing partition of the suit land. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioners contended that previously application of the petitioners was dismissed with direction to include two others khatas which were left out. However, after lapse of some time, fresh petition was filed, but again those were not included, and that aspect of the case was not considered before allowing partition, because partial partition is not permissible. First up, learned counsel for the petitioners could not lay hand on any piece of evidence first up adduced at the trial, nor the Patwari Halka was cross-examined on this point, that is, partial partition, although this plea was taken in the preliminary objection but with ambiguity, and it was not clarified, which the learned counsel is discussing today. Thus, it appears that such plea was abandoned by the petitioners and was not seriously agitated. Therefore, the parties who do not take the plea or after taking the same abandoned the same, then it forfeit its privileged right, and the court is not supposed to discuss that aspect of the matter. Hence, in our view, the partition allowed is based on sound reason, more so when it could not be pointed out that while allowing the mode of partition, any type of prejudice was caused to the petitioners. First stop. Hence, this petition being without merits is dismissed. Full stop. However, before parting with this judgment, it is observed that if two joint khatas are left out, then the petitioners may apply for the partition of the same to the revenue forum competent authority. Full stop.